Namaste. Welcome to Wholesome Living Through Food, a beautiful collaboration between home cooking and yoga and you. Sometimes the simplest way to eat more vegetables is to include them in the foods that you already enjoy. So today we are making pumpkin parathas, a soft and wholesome flatbread that combines the goodness of pumpkin with whole wheat flour. So let's get started and check it out. First, I'm going to cook the pumpkin pieces. This is roughly about 500 grams. To a pot, pour some water, add the pumpkin pieces and cook them completely till they are done. Pumpkin is naturally rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, an important nutrient for healthy vision and immune function. Just mash the pieces with a masher or with a fork. So make sure there are no lumps. You can see how soft it is. Once you've mashed the pumpkin, keep this aside. For the dough, I've taken 4 cups of atta, that is wheat flour. It's a 250 ml cup measurement. Next, I'm adding 1 cup. It's a 250 ml cup measurement of the cooked and mashed pumpkin. To this, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of sugar. So gently start mixing everything. Gradually start pouring the water to mix the dough. First, I'm adding about half cup. So add water as required to get the right consistency for the dough. So you can see the dough is a bit sticky. This is how you want it to be. You don't want it to be too smooth at this point. All the excess moisture from the vegetable is going to be released. Just pour a little bit of oil, rub it all over. You don't want to knead it too much at this point. Let the dough rest for about 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, you can see the dough has become nice and soft. So I'm just dusting with a little bit of flour just to smoothen the dough a little bit. Whole wheat flour provides fiber and slow releasing carbohydrates, helping you stay fuller for longer while providing steady energy. Divide the dough into equal sized dough balls. If you feel the dough is a little sticky for you, you can always dust it with a little bit of flour. I'm just going to dust the dough ball with some flour. Gently roll it out. So we're going to make these nice layered parathas. Dab a little bit of oil. So at this point you don't have to worry about the shape. For making the parathas you need layers. So roll this in from one side and start folding it in. Dust it with a little more flour. So now start rolling out the parathas. The natural moisture from pumpkin also helps create soft, tender parathas without needing excessive oil, making this recipe both wholesome and satisfying. Next, heat a tawa. Once the tawa is nice and hot, gently place the rolled out parathas. Cook on one side for about 30 seconds first. Gently flip it to the other side. Gently press the paratha on all the sides so it cooks evenly through. So once you've cooked on both sides and you've got these nice brown spots, just add a little bit of ghee. Once it's cooked, remove it and keep it aside. So there you have it, soft and delicious pumpkin parathas made with simple and wholesome ingredients. You can serve it with fresh curd or a nice comforting bowl of dal or your favorite homemade vegetable curry. If you enjoy our recipes, subscribe to our YouTube channel and share all these recipes with your family, friends and your yoga community. Until next time, stay healthy, stay nourished and stay happy.